I guess it's just another one of those boring days. It is Sunday. Sunday is a day for rest. I don't believe any of that junk. I don't know what you guys are talking about. This day is so... He's sleeping. He's sleeping. Oh, sorry, what'd you say? I gotta go pee. You think he bought that? Totally. Look at you, man. Where'd that spark of energy go? Something has to happen. Okay, I'm gonna pee now. Pregnant. That's it, that's the joke. Yeah, that's what you call a 3-hump. Alright guys, I'm back. Okay, I guess we're just gonna go back to doing nothing. I guess so. Junior? Okay, I'm gonna go make something to eat. Okay, let's see what we have to work with here. Sweet toast? Nah. Regular toast? Nah. Let's see. Nips toast? Nah. Pistachio toast? Ew. Ooh, banana. I'll take that banana. Let's just pop you in the microwave. Get in there, banana. Just get in there. Oh no. Ah! Guys, help me. I'm in the microwave. Help me, get me out of here, guys. Guys, can you guys even hear me? Hey, Red's been gone for a while. Probably went to go do something. He knows we don't want to do anything. Yeah, you're probably right. Beep, 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 beep. Oh no. Help me! Get me out of here! Oh, my head. Oh, I feel weird. It's really hot in here. I should probably just get the banana. Stupid microwave. Not even hungry anymore. I'm gonna go wash my face. That's better. Ah! Oh god, what the heck's happening to me? Stupid microwave did this to me. Now I look like an action figure. There's totally nothing wrong with that, but I gotta go see what Deadpool I have to say about this. Deadpool! Whoa. What the? Oh, hi, Red. What you doing? What the heck happened? You're so... What, is there something on my face? No, not at all. Why do you sound like me? I don't know. People sure to complain about it, though. Yeah, you're probably right. I wonder who complains about that. Anyway. What happened to you? What do you mean, what happened to me? I've been like this ever since, ever since I met you, I've been like this. I really don't know what you're talking about. What? Where's Han? Remember, he went out. He's coming back home soon. I mean, he can't be gone that long. He's almost done with work. Okay. This is my life now. Yep. That's what you said when we found you that day on the beach. I lived on a beach? Yep. Until I found you. Okay, at least I have a home. So what do we do? Just sit here and wait for Han? That's what we do every day. Every Sunday, at least. You really don't remember that much about this, do you? I mean, we've been friends for a couple of years now. Know what I mean? Yeah, I guess so. Well, Han should be home any minute. We just gotta wait here. Sounds like Han. Home, fellas. It's a busy day at the work today. I didn't really get a chance to rest, but work's over now. Thought I saw my son. Didn't. Don't want to talk to him. He could possibly kill me. You never know. Yeah, that's always what I've been afraid of. Just happy to be home again. I'm probably gonna sleep. What was that, Han? Yeah, Red? What the heck is going on? Who are you talking to? No one. You're acting pretty weird, not gonna lie. You know, it's good to see you again, Han, but, I think I'm gonna go make something to eat. Yeah, that's what I need to do, make something to eat. That's it. Okay, so yeah, I'll be right back. What's wrong with him? I thought so. Okay, this microwave, this is the key. Banana. We need. Open it up. Get in there. Okay. Banana down. And sit right in here. How am I gonna get the door to close? Is voice command? Door close! I said close! Beep, 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 beep. Here we go again. I sure hope it worked this time. Let's go find a mirror. See. You've got to... Wait a second, this ain't half bad. Well, yeah, that's pretty cool if you ask me. But I gotta get out of here. Okay. Hey, Luke. What? You're gonna leave? Where are you going? What in the butt? Han? Yeah, that's been my name for quite the time now. What? You look so young. What are you saying? I looked old before? What kind of friend are you? Okay, I didn't mean that. Where's Deadpool? Don't you remember, Luke? What am I supposed to remember? I can't believe you forgot. He's been dead for 7 years. Okay, oh wait, I need the banana. Banana's always here, man. Take me somewhere that I belong! Beep, 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 dur, 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 dur. Beep, 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 beep. Ding! Better have worked this time. It is me. It worked. It finally worked. Let's go see if Han and them are normal. Stupid microwave. This thing never even... Oh, that explains why it never closed the first time. There you go. I don't know what the heck happened with you, but that was stupid. There's a banana there? Yeah, of course it is. Let's go. You know, Red's been gone for quite the time now. You think he's coming back? Nah, I don't really care if he does or not either. Guys! There you guys are. Wait, you're normal, right? What do you mean normal? Yeah, you're normal. What about you? Everything's back to normal. Thank God. So what do you guys want to do today? Yeah, Red. You're the very one that was talking about doing something. I think my day is pretty much over now. I don't want to do anything else. I don't want to see any more versions. Versions of what? You wouldn't believe me. Let me guess. You got trapped into the microwave, which took you to different versions of us, different alternate universes, and you tried to find your way back here. So you went back into the microwave, but then you turned into an action figure, and then you turned it into an even smaller action figure into a world where I was dead for 7 years, but it's impossible because I can't die. I probably just moved out and told you guys, and told someone to tell you guys that I died, because I don't like you guys. Is that what happened? Yeah, something like that.